Good morning, February 20th, Friday. A perfect moment to exhale, gather our thoughts from the week, and gently prepare for a peaceful weekend. Today, in the Ingenuity Workshop, we explore one of the most powerful tools of empathetic communication. A simple shift that helps keep relationships warm, prevent unnecessary conflicts, and build genuine bridges between people. Today's message: use I messages. Instead of saying, "You make me angry," try, "I start to feel upset when." This is more than psychology. It's a clever way to express your needs without building walls. A true form of social biohacking. Why does it work? When we begin with you are late, you didn't do this, you never listen. The other person's brain often perceives it as an attack. Instantly, the defense mode activates and real listening stops. I messages shift the focus from blame to personal experience. They don't attack. They describe what is happening inside us. What does this look like in practice? First, name your feeling. I feel frustrated. I feel uneasy. I feel uncomfortable. Then describe the situation without judgment. When I see, when this happens, when I hear. Explain why it matters. Because this is important to me. Because I rely on. And in the end, express a request or preference. I would appreciate it if. A few everyday examples. You never listen to me. Let's say, I feel sad when I'm speaking and don't receive response. It's important for me to hear your thoughts. Please tell me going forward. You didn't clean again. Try in such way. I feel overwhelmed when I see disorder because it affects my focus. I'd be grateful if we could spend 5 minutes tidying up together. Why are you always yelling? Let's try, for example, this. It's hard for me to continue the conversation when voices are raised. I need a moment to stay calm. You never keep your word. Let's say, I feel disappointed and lose trust when agreements aren't kept. I wish we would make realistic agreements. Of course, this is not always easy, especially in emotional moments. Sometimes we need time just to understand what we ourselves are feeling. But genuine messages open space for understanding and help us stay connected, both with others and with ourselves. Observe yourself. Experiment and allow this mindful approach to build bridges where there once seemed to be only walls. I believe in each of you. your Ingenuity Workshop from Advance Embrace.